Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. This is Congruency with Mrs. Venti for grade 9. Today we are going to look at two exercises. We're going to look at exercise 3 and 4 as they're on the screen. But before we get into it, we are going to first review the different rules for congruency. So if you remember correctly, congruency means identical. And when you are proving congruency, you are a lawyer in my court, and you have to bring evidence to the courthouse in order to prove that your congruency statement is correct. So one of the four congruency rules or statements that you can use is a proof called side, side, side. What this means is that if you are given two triangles, you need to prove to me that the one side is equal to the other, the seconds match up, and the thirds are equal in length. If you have this kind of proof, you have got side, side, side. Our second kind of proof is known as side, angle, angle. So similarly, if you have two triangles, now pay attention to the fact that I'm not even trying to draw them identical, because I don't want you to look at the shape and say it looks the same. I want you to look at the numbers and the proofs, and you are going to use evidence to tell me congruency, and you're not going to tell me about looks. So side would be any one of the three sides. You could say that side is equal to that side. Then you can tell me that that angle is equal to that angle, and you can tell me that this angle is equal to that angle. These two that we have on the screen, the order in which you present them does not matter. Side, side, side doesn't matter because it doesn't matter which side you start with. Side, angle, angle also doesn't matter. You could tell me angle, angle, side. It would be the same reason. Our third one would be what we called side, included angle, side. And in this instance, it does matter what's in the middle. So if you have two triangles, and of these two triangles you are telling me that this length is equal to this length, so you have got a side. Then you are going to tell me that this length is equal to that length, for example. Now you've got your second side. The question is, which angle of the three angles in the triangle is the one that is relevant? And the answer is the one in between. So if you've got a pink and a green side, then you've got your pink side and your green side, it's the angle in between. Pink side and green side, it's the angle in between. So please remember, it has to be an included angle. It cannot be this or that. That would be wrong. It has to be the one in between the pink and the green. Always use colors. They make it easier for you to see the answer. Last rule, we have right angle, hypotenuse, side. And in this instance, our triangles have to have a 90 degrees in them. So that's one. And we can draw a second one like that. So in this instance, our right stands for this 90 degrees. So we've got our right angle, it's 90 degrees. The hypotenuse is the line that is opposite the right angle. So the one that is opposite, that is your hypotenuse. That is our hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. And then finally you choose a side. It can be any of the two. So this side and that side would be correct. There we go. These are the four reasons or proofs that you can present for congruency.